This is Stephanie, who runs the family business Shearer Candles. This is where they've made candles for 121 years.
We've made candles since they were lamps.
This is Shearer Candles in 1897. This is Shearer Candles in 2018. This is also Shearer Candles in 2018.
A lot of customers come just to see the dogs.
This is her dad, who ran the shop after his dad did.
I am the only one that knows how to fix these things.
This is her mum. She's the head scent maker.
And of course, my nose will never retire.
This is some of their team.
We've got about 34 fragrances at the moment, but we've got in excess of hundreds from the past. Our most successful scent is Amber Noir. It's our black candle. It's a beautiful fragrance.
And this is their favourite review.
Over the years, I spent a fortune on candles, but none were as good as these. Highly recommended.
We've had a lot of celebrity customers, to name a few. I feel like I'm getting myself in trouble.
This is all the history, family and scent that goes into every candle, in every box from Shearer Candles. And this is where you can support them.